Sir, I want to tell you something.
Yes, tell me, what is the problem?
Sir, when I am alone, I feel confident, but when I speak English in front of people, my voice shakes. I forget words.
I understand. This happens to many learners. You are not alone.
Sir, I know some English, but my mouth does not support me.
That means your mind knows, but your speaking muscle is weak, and we can fix this
How, sir?
with mirror practice.
Mirror practice?
Yes, you practice speaking English in front of a mirror.
Sir, that sounds strange.
It sounds strange, but it works very fast.
Why mirror, sir?
Because the mirror becomes your first listener. You see your face, your lips, your confidence, and your fear.
Sir, I feel shy talking to myself.
That shyness is the first problem, and mirror practice removes it.
Sir, what should I do first?
First, stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself. Smile.
Smile?
Yes, smile. When you smile, fear becomes small.
Okay, sir.
Now say a simple sentence. Say, "Hello, I'm learning English."
Hello, I'm learning English.
Good. Say it again, slowly.
Hello, I'm learning English.
Very nice. Look at your face. You're speaking clearly.
Sir, I still feel nervous.
That is normal. Nervous means you care. Now say, "I am not afraid of mistakes."
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Good. Say it louder.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Excellent. Your voice is stronger now.
Sir, what if I make mistakes in grammar?
In mirror practice, mistakes are allowed.
Really?
Yes, the mirror never laughs at you.
Sir, people laugh when I speak.
The mirror never laughs. It only listens.
Sir, what should I practice daily?
Start with daily routine.
Like what, sir?
Like this. Say, "I wake up at 7."
I wake up at 7.
Good. Now say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Nice. Combine both.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
Very good. You are improving.
Sir, should I look into my eyes?
Yes, look into your own eyes. It builds confidence.
Sir, sometimes my mind becomes blank.
Then stop for 2 seconds, breathe, and start again.
Okay.
Say, after that, I take a shower.
After that, I take a shower.
Good. Continue.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Say more.
I go to school.
Nice. You are doing well.
Sir, my pronunciation is weak.
Mirror practice helps pronunciation too.
How?
You can see your mouth movement.
Sir, sometimes I speak too fast.
Then slow down. English is not a race.
Sir, people speak fast and I feel small.
Never compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10.
Sir, that is true.
Now, let's practice confident sentences.
Okay.
Say, I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Again,
I can speak English.
louder.
I can speak English.
Perfect.
Sir, I feel better now.
That is the power of mirror practice.
Sir, how many minutes should I practice?
Start with 5 minutes, then 10, then 15.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Sir, what if someone sees me talking to myself?
Let them see. You are building your future.
Sir, I feel shy at home.
Tell your family you are practicing English.
Sir, sometimes I laugh at myself.
That is good. It means fear is leaving.
Sir, can I practice questions too?
Of course, ask yourself questions.
Like what?
Say, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
Answer it.
My name is Ali.
Good. Ask another.
Where do you live?
Answer.
I live in Lahore.
Excellent.
Sir, this feels like real conversation.
Yes, mirror practice prepares you for real people.
Sir, what about mistakes in front of mirror?
Make as many mistakes as you want.
Sir, I forget words sometimes.
Then use simple words. Don't stop.
Sir, sometimes my tongue gets stuck.
Relax your face. Smile again.
Okay.
Now say, I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Say it with belief.
I am improving every day.
Very good.
Sir, after mirror practice, should I speak with people?
Yes, mirror gives you courage, people give you experience.
Sir, today I feel confident.
That confidence came from you.
Sir, can mirror practice really change my English?
Yes, if you do it daily.
Sir, what if I miss one day?
No problem. Start again next day.
Sir, I like this method.
Many successful speakers use this method.
Sir, I want to promise something.
What?
I will practice English in front of the mirror every day.
That is a strong promise.
Sir, thank you.
You are welcome. Remember one thing.
What, sir?
English is not about perfection.
Then what is it about?
It is about practice, courage, and consistency.
Sir, I will remember this.
Good. Now say one last sentence to yourself.
I am not afraid. I am learning. I am improving.
Perfect. That is the spirit.
Now, before we end, I want to teach you one more important thing.
Yes, sir, I am listening.
Mirror practice is not only for speaking.
Then what else is it for, sir?
It is also for thinking in English.
Thinking in English?
Yes, when you stand in front of the mirror, do not translate from your language.
Sir, I always translate first.
That is why you stop while speaking.
Oh, that is true.
In front of the mirror, speak simple thoughts.
Like what, sir?
Like this. Say, I am tired today.
I am tired today.
Good. Now say, I need rest.
I need rest.
Very good. These are real thoughts.
Sir, this feels natural.
Exactly. English should feel natural, not heavy.
Sir, sometimes I feel English is too big for me.
English is not big. Fear is big.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want you to practice emotions in front of the mirror.
Emotions?
Yes, speak with feeling.
How?
Say this line with feeling. I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Say it again slowly.
I am proud of myself.
Good. Do you feel something?
Yes, sir, I feel good.
That feeling builds confidence.
Sir, I never said this to myself before.
Most people don't, but successful people do.
Sir, mirror practice feels powerful now.
It is powerful because you are facing yourself.
Sir, can I practice before sleep too?
That is the best time.
Why, sir?
Because your mind remembers what you say before sleep.
I didn't know that.
Before sleeping, stand in front of the mirror and say, today I practiced. Tomorrow I will speak better.
Today I practiced. Tomorrow I will speak better.
Excellent.
Sir, what if one day I feel lazy?
Then speak only one sentence.
Only one?
Yes, one sentence is better than zero.
Sir, that makes it easy.
Learning should be easy, not scary.
Sir, will people really stop laughing one day?
Yes, and one day they will listen.
Sir, I want that day to come.
It will come if you don't stop.
Sir, today I feel something changed inside me.
That change is confidence.
Sir, thank you for believing in me.
You believed in yourself. I just reminded you.
Sir, can I say something to the mirror now?
Yes, say it.
I am learning English. I am not weak. I am improving every day.
Beautiful. Say it once more.
I am learning English. I am not weak. I am improving every day.
Perfect. Remember this forever.
What, sir?
Confidence does not come from English.
Then where does it come from, sir?
It comes from practice and courage.
I understand now.
One day, you will help someone like this.
I hope so, sir.
You will.
Sir, I promise I will never stop practicing.
That promise will change your life.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now go, stand in front of the mirror and speak.
I will. I am not afraid anymore.
That is the perfect ending. Keep speaking, keep practicing, keep believing.